Welcome back to Curious Minds. I'm thrilled to have you here today. If you're ready to dive into fascinating ideas and uncover new insights, you're in the right place. Let's get curious together. Niobium batteries, a Brazilian innovation poised to transform battery technology. Hello, engineering enthusiasts. My name is Mark, and today we'll explore a groundbreaking advancement in battery technology, the use of niobium in battery production. So, what exactly is niobium? Niobium is a chemical element represented by the symbol Nb. It belongs to group 5 of the periodic table, with an atomic number of 41 and an atomic mass of 92.9. Discovered in 1801 by English chemist Charles Hatchett through studies of the mineral columbite, the element was initially named columbium, Cb. Later, in 1846, German chemist Heinrich Rose independently identified the element and renamed it niobium, a name officially adopted by the international community in 1950. Niobium began to gain prominence in the mid-20th century due to its ability to enhance the properties of other materials. This versatility allows niobium to be used in various applications, including automotive components, aircraft turbines, MRI machines, pacemakers, rockets, electronic devices, and now, batteries. Currently, niobium is primarily utilized in specialized alloys mixed with other metals like steel, titanium, or copper, significantly boosting the mechanical strength of the final products. For instance, adding even a small percentage of niobium to steel used in gas pipeline tubes greatly enhances their mechanical resilience. However, due to its specific applications, the demand for niobium remains limited. While it is strategically important from a technological standpoint, it is often undervalued. Thus, there is a pressing need to explore additional uses for this metal with remarkable properties. This brings us to the Brazilian niobium battery. If it delivers on its promises, it could revolutionize the energy storage market. For us Brazilians, this is particularly exciting, as nearly 98% of the world's niobium reserves are found right here in Brazil. But if niobium is so valuable, why aren't we reaping its benefits from extraction? The answer lies in its replaceable nature. Despite its advantageous properties, niobium can be substituted by other metals with similar traits. Additionally, we typically sell niobium as a raw material rather than as part of a finished product that incorporates it. By developing a battery made from niobium, we can add significant value to this raw material, transforming it from a basic commodity into a technology produced domestically. This approach enhances the value of niobium extraction and production in Brazil. So, what are the benefits of using niobium? The primary advantages include high thermal and electrical conductivity, ductility, the ability to deform without losing physical properties, malleability, and excellent resistance to heat, wear, and corrosion. These traits enable niobium to enhance the performance of the metals it is combined with, making them more efficient. Niobium plays a crucial role in technological advancements aimed at creating smarter, stronger, and lighter materials, ultimately benefiting sectors like mobility. For example, it can lead to the development of more advanced orthopedic prostheses and help tackle engineering challenges that promote material efficiency. With modern designs and greater strength, projects can achieve more creative freedom in a sustainable manner. The incorporation of niobium allows for enhanced resistance characteristics, enabling improved calculations and optimized structures. As a valuable resource for Brazil, there is a need for better valorization and utilization of niobium. The investment of two major companies in this battery technology sets a significant precedent for the future of the country's economy. So, who is behind this niobium battery innovation? The credit goes to Volkswagen Trucks and Buses, VWCO, in collaboration with CBMM, Companhia Brasileira de Metalurgia e Mineração, which has formed an agreement to develop and manufacture niobium-based batteries for electric vehicles. One of the standout features of this Brazilian technology is the ability to charge electric cars in an astonishing 6 minutes, on par with refueling a combustion engine vehicle, which is truly revolutionary. This project aims to enhance Brazil's standing in the automotive industry through the partnership between the vehicle manufacturer and CBMM, the latter being responsible for niobium extraction and the development of new technologies utilizing this metal. After nearly 4 years of research in Japan, leveraging various Toshiba technologies, niobium is being applied in batteries as a substitute for graphite, allowing them to be half the size of traditional batteries. However, it's important to note that niobium batteries have a lower energy density compared to conventional electric vehicle batteries, which means the vehicle's range will also be reduced. Consequently, A dedicated charging infrastructure for this technology would need to be established, as rapid charging is one of the key advantages of niobium batteries. In other words, while you might have a shorter battery life, the fast charging capability would mitigate this concern. Furthermore, studies suggest that niobium battery packs can last nearly 20 years and withstand over 10,000 charge cycles, up to 5 times the lifespan of typical lithium-ion batteries. In addition to longevity, safety is another significant advantage. Niobium batteries do not degrade under extreme temperatures like other batteries, which reduces the risk of fire. Imagine driving an electric car powered by a Brazilian niobium battery, fully charging it in just 6 minutes. What do you think? Could this trend take off here? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'll leave you with 2 videos that dive deeper into this topic, so be sure to check them out. If you enjoyed this content, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on notifications for updates. That's it for today, friends. A big hug, and I'll see you in the next video.